Hey, I'm going to show you 4 amazing iPhone tips and tricks that will make your life easier. Let's get started. Let's start with tip number 1. Stop dragging apps one by one. Do you know you can drag multiple apps on your home screen by selecting one and then tapping on the others one by one, just like this. Here's a tip number 2. Do you know if you go to your Safari and then take a screenshot of a website, you can capture the entire page without scrolling? Just click on the screenshot and then select full page option. Now you can save it on your photos or as a PDF. This is great for saving articles, recipes, or anything you want to read later. Tip number 3. Do you know in iMessage you can scan text from your camera and send it to anyone? Just press on the message box and then click on Autofill, Scan Text. You will be able to scan the text from whatever is in front of you, like a book, a sign, or a menu. This is super convenient and fast. Here's a bonus tip. If you're switching between apps one by one just like this, do you know there's a way to switch between them much faster? All you need to do is just quickly swipe your finger across the screen and it will quickly swipe between apps that you have opened in the background. This is a great way to multitask and save time. So, I hope you enjoyed these iPhone tips and tricks. If you did, don't forget to give me a follow. And I will see you again, probably, maybe.